Anyways, oh sorry, the mic's way too close to my face. Anyways, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing so even though How to Train Your Dragon's been out for like probably years now, no one I've only seen one person do a Hiccup times listener, so that's what I'm going to be doing today since I've been obsessed with it lately. Tomorrow or tonight I might do a max times listener or something like that. I don't know yet, but yeah. Let's get into this. So it's just a regular day. You have been at home. So you know, like the first movie of How to Train Your Dragon, how Hiccup works at that place where like instead of him working there, you work there, and yeah, and you were working, and after you got done off of work, you went. So you're not allowed to have a dragon, but since you didn't really care what your parents think, you have a dragon. So you ran off somewhere and you went to go see a dragon. Let's say it's like a dragon, like toothless, but it's like not black or white. It's purple. Not purple. A blue mixed with a pinkish mixed with a white. Okay? And let's name the dragon. Let's do Moonlight. So I'm gonna voice you guys because it's gonna make so much more sense. After this video, I'm gonna go eat. So yeah, because I'm gonna be back. Oh hey Moonlight, I'm back. I really wish I could show you to everyone. You're so pretty, but I'm gonna get in trouble. Almost every kid my age has a dragon, but I don't. And between me and you, I really like dragons, especially you. And I love Hiccup. I don't know how to tell him. How should I tell him? I don't know. I can't speak dragon. I really wish I could show you to some people. But everyone thinks I'm a freak. I get bullied a lot. So then I have no friends. No friends at all. Pretend like there's some rustle noise here. Who's that? I'm gonna start voicing you. No, actually, I need to keep voicing you. Hello? Is anyone there? And a dark freaker comes out of the dark, and it's a random dude. That looks like he's going to murder you or kidnap you, which happens. He kidnaps you, and yeah, your dragon can't do anything about it, because yeah, she wasn't trained to do that. They weren't trained to do that because you haven't trained them yet. So yeah, that happens, and this is Hiccup's POV. I'm walking to the place where listener works, but of course they weren't there. I don't know why, but they weren't. And they told us that she had a break, and she's supposed to be back 15 minutes ago, but she wasn't. So I went out to go look for her. But I did find her bracelet her mom gave her when she was little, before she died. It was on the ground next to a dragon, and I realized she had a dragon, and she was keeping it all from us. It was a really pretty one, and it also had a tag on it. I looked at the tag and it says Moonlight. Oh, you must be Listener's dragon. That came out of my mouth. I don't know why I did. That's all I can think of. I asked the dragon, since I speak dragon. I asked the dragon, Moonlight, where was Listener, and they said that she was kidnapped. So I ran to the village, of course I did, and I told everyone that Listener was kidnapped. We all went looking for her, but we couldn't find her. Your POV. It's been 5 weeks now, and I've been in this place. I've been tortured, literally. I'm tired of change. Tired of the change. Chains. And I've been beaten, slapped, and all this stuff. Like, my body can't even stand it anymore. I can't even walk. Not in that type, but it hurts so much. I wish someone would find me. Let me go, please. It's been 2 weeks. Please. That came out of my mouth. My voice shaky. My voice cracking. Tears in my eyes. I hated it so much. I just want to go back home. Go back home to no one, apparently. Because no one likes me there. I have no friends. Then I just decided to give up until the door swung open. And guess who I see? Almost the whole village. And all I heard was, let her go. I turned to see it was Hiccup. Hiccup! What are you doing here? You have to go. I don't know why I said that. Because probably I don't need to be saved. Probably I'm just a weakling and I should deserve this. No, you're getting up out of here. Next thing I know, I was unchained and the guy let me go. He threw me to Hiccup. I really couldn't speak anymore, so all that came out was gibberish. And he took me to the infirmary, and they told me I had lots of scars, and there was one on my eye I never even noticed. And next thing you know, I opened my eye, and my eye is blind. That eye went blind, which was my left eye. And they told me I couldn't work until I get healed. And one day I was walking around and I realized I had to go feed my dragon, and no one knew except for Hiccup, apparently. He told me he knew about the dragon. And if I needed something to go do, he would come with me just in case. So I went to grab Hiccup and we went to go see Moonlight. And I seen Moonlight and I fed her. So, listener, are you doing okay? Is your eye doing better? Is that all he could say after everything I've been through is how I've been doing? I said I was doing fine, but that was a lie. Of course it was. And yeah, I really wish I wasn't kidnapped. Well, I wish I died already, because no one likes me here. Except for Hiccup, apparently. Hey, Hiccup. But, yeah. Do you think I'm a weirdo? No. Why? It's because I get bullied a lot. No one likes me. Not even my mom. I mean, not my mom. My mom's dead. My dad, he literally hates me. My cousins, my whole family despises me. And I have no friends except for you. And all this stuff. I really wish I wasn't like this. I wish I was never born. Oh my god. Listener, I'm so sorry. No, Hiccup, it's fine. I'm not even allowed to have a dragon. I can't even own one, apparently. Probably I'm just a stupid kid that doesn't deserve anything. No, you do. You do. Next thing I know, he asked me to be his girlfriend. I was shocked, but of course I said yes. Can I kiss you? Of course you can, Hiccup. Yes. Next thing you know, he has his hand on my cheek and he kisses me. I love you. I love you too, Hiccup. I love you too. And that's where I'm gonna end it, bitches. Hey. Bye. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe. My dream is hit 50 subscribers. And by the way, I have 50 videos now. It's gonna be 51. So yeah, please subscribe to me. Have a great day. Mwah. Love you. Konnichiwa.